Today we'll be learning about the structures and functions of the government. First, we will talk about how the President, members of Congress, and Justice of Supreme Court come to power. The President, Vice President, Supreme Court, Congressmen, and House of Representatives all are elected. The President and Vice President both announce what their political party is, either Democratic or Republican. The winner needs to receive the most electoral votes in each state. They also have to have the most electoral college votes to be the president. One final runner will receive majority vote and become the president. In a rare case of no electoral college vote winner, the House of Representatives goes through a process to choose the president. It is determined by the top 3 presidential votes. Each state delegation casts a vote. There are 100 members of Congress. 2 candidates represent each state. There are also 435 representatives in the House of Representatives. All of the congressmen are elected. These representatives are elected by popular vote, also by the citizens in their state. In a possibility of a vacancy, the governor then appoints someone. In the Supreme Court, the president has the constitutional power to nominate someone. In the Supreme Court, there are many ways to be elected. The president has the constitutional power to nominate a representative. The Senate also has the authority to consent or reject the representative. If there is a vacancy, there is a list of potential candidates. The nominee also needs to have at least 50 votes to be elected. Now we will go over the 3 different branches of the government: executive branch, legislative branch, and judicial branch. The executive branch is headed by the president. This branch carries out federal laws. It also directs national defense and foreign policy. The executive branch is the law enforcement and vetoes laws. The legislative branch is headed by the Congress. This consists of the House of Representatives and the Senate. They make the laws, originate spending bills, impeach officials, and approve treaties. The judicial branch consists of the Supreme Court. This branch interprets the Constitution. They also review laws and decide cases involving state rights. The checks and balances make sure that not one branch is too powerful. Each branch is also restrained by other branches. The legislative branch introduces a bill, and the president or executive branch decides if he wants to pass it. The president can veto a bill passed by the Congress. The Congress can override 2/3 of a vote on a bill. The Supreme Court can also declare unconstitutional. There are many changes to the Constitution. In 1787, there were originally 9,000 amendments proposed. Only 27 were passed.